Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Chrome Remote Desktop pin. Let's get into it. First, open the Remote Desktop website. Open your web browser and go to the official Chrome Remote Desktop website. Make sure you are signed in with your account so the computer shows up in the list. Now you need to find the specific section that handles your computer's connection. This is the place where you first set up the sharing. Look at the top of the page and click on the tab that says Remote Access. Find the name of your computer in the list. This tab shows all the computers you have linked to your account. Entering this area is the only way to reach the security settings. Next, click the Edit button to see your settings. Now you need to enter the edit mode. Because the code is secret, the website will not just show it to you on the screen. You have to act like you are changing it. Look for the small pencil icon or the button next to your computer's name. Click on it to see the boxes where your name and code are kept. Since there is no show code button for safety reasons, editing is the only way to see the area where the code lives. It ensures your security details stay under your control. Delete the old dots in the code box and type in a new number that is at least 6 digits long. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.